What is the process to reverse an EFT payment with Capitec?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to reverse an electronic funds transfer (EFT) payment with Capitec Bank. Reversing an EFT payment can be a little complicated, but don't worry, we'll break it down into simple steps for you.
What is an EFT payment?
An EFT payment is a type of electronic payment where you transfer money from one bank account to another. This can be within the same bank or between different banks. It's a convenient way to send money, but sometimes mistakes happen, and you may need to reverse the transaction.
Can you reverse an EFT payment with Capitec?
The first thing to know is that reversing an EFT payment with Capitec is not a straightforward process. Once an EFT payment is made, it can't be reversed online or through the Capitec mobile app. You'll need to contact Capitec directly.
How to contact Capitec for a reversal?
You can reach out to Capitec Bank through their client care center at 0860-102043. Alternatively, you can visit a Capitec branch for assistance.
What information will I need?
When you contact Capitec, you'll need to provide some information about the EFT payment you want to reverse. This includes your account details, the date and time of the transaction, the recipient's details, the amount transferred.
What happens next?
After you've provided all the necessary information, Capitec will initiate the process to reverse the EFT payment. However, it's important to note that Capitec cannot guarantee the reversal. The success of the reversal depends on whether the recipient's bank account still has sufficient funds to cover the reverse transaction. Reversing an EFT payment with Capitec can be a complex process, and it's not guaranteed to work every time. However, by contacting Capitec directly and providing the necessary information, you can initiate the process and hopefully get your money back. Remember, prevention is the best solution, so always double-check your transactions before confirming them. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.